Donna had some candies. She kept half of the number of candies plus 3 candies. So a little bit more than half, Donna kept it. She gave the remaining candies to Jane. Jane ate 1/3 of the candies plus 4 candies. So not just 1 out of 3, but a little bit more. So how many more? 4 more. Alright. Then Jane gave the remaining candies to Kate. Kate ate 1/4 of the candies and had 42 candies left. Okay, now you see, for Kate, right, we know that she ate 1 out of 4. So if she had 4 units, you minus that 1 unit that she ate. For Kate, immediately we know these 3 units has a value of 42 candies. Alright, so that will help you solve this question as we discuss. Question is this: how many candies did Donna have at first? Now, the way to approach this question is to work backwards. Alright, we need to investigate what is Kate's amount of candy first, and then move backwards to Jane, and then move backwards to Donna. Alright, now for Kate, let's see what's happening for her. She has 4 boxes of candy, right? Okay, out of which she ate 1 of it. So this part she ate. And these 3 boxes is what she's left with. So this will be 42. Okay, so 3 units for Kate. Okay, we talk about Kate first. 3 units will be equivalent to 42 candies. We can find 1 unit. 42 divided by 3. That is 14. And we can proceed to find Kate's amount of candies. 14 times 4. Alright. 14 times 4. 56. So Kate had 56 candies. Now where did these candies come from? It came from Jane. Alright. So let's look at Jane's statement. So Jane ate 1/3 of the candies plus another 4. And she gave the remaining to Kate. So remaining means 56 candies was given to Kate. 5, 6. Now next up, we talk about Jane. Let's use a blue color. So for Jane, she had 3 boxes. Okay, 1 out of 3 means she had 3 boxes. And out of which she ate 1 plus another 4. So perhaps the 4 will be here. So this section here, 4. And this part is what Jane ate. And of course the remaining she gave to Kate. So this part is for Kate. Okay, and friends, we know that Kate's candies is 56. So what this means is that this particular section will be 56. If we take 56 plus 4, that will be 2 units for Jane. Right? That will be 2 units for Jane. And then from there we can find Jane's number of candies. So Jane, 56 plus 4, that will be 2 parts. You can put 2 parts here. 56 plus 4, that is 60. So we find 1 part. And for Jane, she had 3 parts. 30 times 3, 90 candies for Jane. Now, where did Jane's candies come from? It came from Donna. Alright, so the last person we talk about is Donna. And that is the question basically, right? To find Donna's number of candies. Now, for Donna, she kept half of her candies plus another 3. And the remaining went to Jane. So remaining means what? 90, right? So 90 candies went to Jane. So for Donna, let's draw a model. For her, she ate half, so plus another 3. Okay, so this section here, she ate. And this section right here, she gave it to Jane. Okay, and Jane, we know that she had 90, right? So if you take 90 plus 3, you get 1 box for Donna. 1 unit. 90 plus 3, this is 93. And the question wants to know how many sweets or how many candies Donna have at first. So that would be these 2 boxes. So 2 units. $186.